Molecular materials are very attractive for a wide range of applications, and to make useful systems, we make special use of supramolecular chemistry. That is, the chemistry of organising molecules in space using weak interactions. Controlling the supramolecular chemistry of molecular materials means influencing and tuning their properties.
At present, all electronic devices we use are based on silicon. However, these technologies are arriving to their limits and new materials are needed. We are using most advanced techniques to fabricate ultra-thin films of only few nanometers thick of novel magnetic materials and ferroelectric oxides in order to explore new ways for sensing, data storage and communication, more energy efficient and of enhanced functionalities.
We investigate the chemistry of boron hydrides for energy applications, ionic liquids, among others. Boranes contain the highest possible load of hydrogen besides hydrogen itself. We have demonstrated for the first time that a stepwise sequential redox potential modulation has been made possible by using a metal borane.
ALBA is a modern synchrotron light source equipped with several beamlines for material science research. Electronic properties, structural properties of different materials, solid materials, polymers, etc. The possibility of collaborating with ICMAB scientists offers the opportunity to those scientists of achieving deeper insight and more breadth on the research that they are doing. So the future is very fruitful on this respect.
We investigate on improving current electrode materials for rechargeable batteries and also designing new ones with enhanced performance.
I work mainly in the lab performing experiments using light to probe the physical properties of nanomaterials. We search for new phenomena that emerge as a direct consequence of the reduced dimensionality or size of the material system under study. All my lines of investigation have a clear application in mind, such as to improve the performance of nanodevices, enhance specific properties, develop ultra-sensitive spectroscopy techniques, just as examples.
We are using chemical solution depositions to grow epitaxial layers and nanostructures of functional oxides. In particular, this chemical method has allowed us to obtain high-performance, scalable and low-cost superconducting tapes.
The theory and simulation group works along two strongly related directions. The first is the creation of new computational and analytical tools to understand materials. The second is the application of these tools to real materials, and this we try to do as much as possible in collaboration with experimental groups. I could mention as systems which are of our interest, multi-ferrox materials, nanotubes, processes occurring at membranes or channels, low-dimensional conductors, etc.
We are working on the chemistry of carbon nanotubes and graphene and explore their application in different fields. For instance, one of our research lines focuses on the development of nanocapsules to allow a more efficient diagnosis and treatment of cancer.
Crystallography deals on determining how atoms and molecules are arranged in a material and how they interact among them. This is the final reason why a material presents a concrete property, either color, hardness, conductivity or whatever. On the other hand, we also work on nanoporous materials for different applications such as catalysis for energy.
We are working in molecular nanoscience using techniques of supramolecular chemistry in order to develop nanocarriers for drug delivery, making controlled and targeted drug delivery for therapy and diagnosis.
We develop novel nanoparticles and nanocomposites using several chemical synthetic approaches. In particular, we investigate iron oxide magnetic colloids as contrast agents for magnetic resonance imaging to enhance the sensitivity of the technique and to track cells in cell therapies.